Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in one of the IIT. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe and watch the video till end. So there is a PhD admission going on in IIT Indore. They have published its application form for one of discipline. The date is already last date is 12th February, so that is not much time you have to apply, but for rest they have not published till now, so keep visiting the website and apply after that. So there are PhD admission going on for different discipline, like for engineering, for science and for humanity and social sciences. There are two category for Indian students and for international students. The different category for Indian students, like fellowship awardee. If you have fellowship awardee from funding agencies such as CSIR, UGC, NBHM, DST, etc., then you will provide scholarship value as per concerned funding agency. Next one, teaching assistantship. The assistantship will be provided as per MHRD norms. Next one, sponsored without institute scholarship, means if you are working in some R&D industry or organization, then you can apply for PhD. But the coursework you have to do as a full time, but after that you can work as a part time also, and if you have your you have this to do it as full time, then you can do it as full time by with competent with approval of competent authority. Next category for Indian students is like institute staff. If you are a regular staff member of IIT Indore, then you can apply for for PhD as a part-time basis. If you are some defense personnel working in defense, so you can apply for PhD without a scholarship. And if you are a permanent employee of some sponsoring college, institute or university, then you can apply for PhD without any scholarship. For international students, there are three category, like international self finance, means everything you have to do with your own, nothing is provided by government or institute. Next one, international sponsored by industry or NGO, means some industry, international company, MNC company are sponsoring you to do PhD in IIT Indore, then you can apply for that. And next one, international sponsored by government organization like ICCR, scholarship of government of India or foreign government sponsorship, then you can apply for PhD. There are different types of sponsorship letter for applicants under Indian staff. This IAS or SW and defense personnel. You have to download this form and fill it and submit it to the IIT Indore. There are different type of certificate. You go through this by taking a screenshot or visit IIT Indore website. There are different departments of engineering where the admission is going on, like computer science, engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical, civil, metallurgy and material, bioscience, biomedical, astronomy, physics, space engineering. For that, you must have master's degree in a relevant discipline with valid GATE score, or you must have BTech with valid GATE score. Then you can directly apply for this PhD. But for international students, you must have master degree in relevant department, and you must have some TOEFL or IELTS score, IELTS qualification or a valid GATE qualification. Then you can apply for this PhD. This GATE is not compulsory for some defense personnel or institute staff or college teacher or sponsored without any scholarship. Then you can apply for that without, if you have not GATE also, then you can apply. For computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering or civil, the application is not started. Application form is not started till now. For filling, till now they have not published any dates, and till now they have not also advertised his advertisement for PhD. But for metallurgy, the application is already, last date is tomorrow, like 12th February 2021. There are also PhD admission going on in the Department of Science. For that, there you can apply for PhD in chemistry, physics and mathematics. Regarding eligibility or qualification, you must have your master is in same discipline. Like if you are applying for chemistry, then you must have your MSc in chemistry and valid UGC or NET score, UGC CSIR NET qualification. But if you have MEM Tech also, then you can apply. But for that you must have GATE qualification or bachelor degree in the Department of Engineering and Technology with first division and valid GATE qualification. For international students, same master degree in same discipline, and you must have TOEFL or IELTS qualification and valid GATE qualification. For this chemistry, physics and mathematics, the last date is for chemistry 7th of March, mathematics 22nd February. So you have time, fill it as soon as possible. For in humanity and social sciences, if you have master degree in relevant department of engineering and technology, or master degree in relevant department of science, or MBA, MBA, and must have like UGC JRF qualification or GATE qualification, then you can apply for that. Same condition for international students, like you must have master degree in relevant department, the relevant specialization of humanity and social sciences, and must have valid GATE, TOEFL or IELTS qualification or valid GATE qualification. This GATE is not compulsory for defense staff or institute staff or college teacher. But for humanity and social science, the application date is already over, so you can't able to apply for this. But for this Center for Advanced Electronics, they have date or not. The date is I think not given. Means advertisement will be not till now uploaded. For this Center for Advanced Electronics, there are also different category for Indian applicants and international applicants. For Indian applicants, they have a fellowship awardee. If you have a fellowship awardee from a funding agency like CSIR, UGC, then you can apply for this PhD. Or you can apply in without institute scholarship category also. Or if you are working in some defense, then you can apply for PhD without any scholarship in this Center for Advanced Electronics. Or if you are college teacher, then you can also apply. Same thing, regarding GATE qualification, same condition in apply in this also. For international student, same 3 types of admission category: international self-finance, international sponsored by industry or NGO, or international sponsored by government organization. Same thing apply also here. Yes, but for international student, if you are not, if you have not UGC CSIR or DBT qualification, then you can also apply for this. The advertisement will not disclose till now. But for the next category is Visvareya PhD scheme for electronics and IT. If you have electrical engineering, computer science and engineering, then you can apply for this Visvareya scheme PhD. For that you must have master degree in relevant department of engineering and technology with first class, and or if you have bachelor degree in relevant engineering and technology with first division and valid GATE qualification, then also you can apply. Or a master degree in relevant department of science and valid GATE qualification, or ETC, CSIR, JRF, NET score if you have, then you can apply for this Visvareya scheme. The advertisement till now not uploaded for this also. Application fee for Indian applicants 100 rupees, for international US $30. Through RTGS you have to do payment. Application procedure, I will upload the link in description box. From there you can apply. You can read this, means you must have some valid format like for photograph and signature. So first edit it in proper format, after that you upload. This is the important email ID of DPGC convener of different discipline. If you have any query regarding admission, you must contact on this email ID. So this all basic details required for this PhD admission, which I have discussed here. Some fee waiver also. fee waiver may be offered to applicants admitted through STTD in India cell on the basis of their merit. You have to read the details by downloading individual departments advertisement, but this is more than enough. What I have discussed here, important points. So for some like physics and chemistry already that you have dates for, but for metallurgy and material the last date is tomorrow, so you can apply till tomorrow. But for some they have not published advertisement till now, so you visit the website regularly and must apply, because the application fee is not too much. So that's all about today. If you have liked it, then share it with friends also, and if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.